Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Dall E and choosing the model. This matters because versions vary in style control and fidelity. Once signed in, upload 3 reference images and list concise keywords. Make sure to set aspect ratio and resolution up front so you avoid wasted iterations. Start with a clear main subject, a style tag, and 1-2 modifiers for mood or lighting. These first steps establish the constraints the generator uses to produce usable results. Next, you refine prompts by structuring them: subject, then style, then lighting and color palette. This helps the model prioritize what matters. Once done, add negatives to avoid unwanted elements and use constraints to reduce artifacts. You should experiment with seed, sampling steps, and guidance scale to dial in creativity versus fidelity. Lower guidance frees creativity, higher guidance enforces accuracy. Make iterative small edits and compare outputs side by side to identify which tweak produced desired changes. Finally, you pick the strongest variant and use upscaling or inpainting to finalize details, making sure edges and texture are clean. Export in the format you need and include any required attribution metadata. If results look off, simplify the prompt to core elements, increase sampling steps, or change the seed. These fixes address overfitting, noise, and repetition. One key troubleshooting tip: when artifacts persist, remove complex adjectives and reintroduce them one at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.